Hello folks, I wanted to do a brief video review of this beautiful mirror dash cam which I received earlier in the week. The first image that you just saw was my garage in high definition. This one is also high definition last night, but night vision. That one continues on night vision, and it's a little grainier and the enhanced IR LED, but still pretty good. Great visibility. The only thing I have to say is that uh, the files, the size of the files are big in high definition. So unless you have a 32 gig card, you might want to go into VGA, which is the third step down in resolution, and go with that. I think it's going to be better if you're going to be recording long trips, and keeping in mind that you're going to be leaving the mirror plugged to your car charger permanently. Coming up, you're going to be seeing, this is no sound, but coming up, you're going to be seeing a sample with in VGA, which is a shorter frame with sound. So I am going to be quiet right now, and you'll hear the sound coming up on daylight today.
What I like about it is that it's a little darker. It's rocks. Yeah, south, north, east, or west.
As you can see, the sound is not the best, but keep in mind that you need sound to prove, say, in a car accident, that you sounded the horn of your car or that your blinker was blinking. And you can hear the blinker. You're going to be able to hear the horn. I didn't sound my horn, so that's my point. I'm going to show you how I have it attached to the dash. So the way I have it attached on the dash is I run the charging cord on the top. You can see the black cord on the very top running on the right side. And I put it under the sun visor, and then I run it down on the passenger side and I clip it to the glove area, and that's pretty much how it is. I really hope you enjoyed this video review, and if it was useful, please vote that it was useful. And I think this is a very good product for just under $40.